Today we'll talk about how can you select who can like your replay on your Threads app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here. You click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. So then you click here on threads into replace, you just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to likes, and here can you select who can like your replay here. So here can you select. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.